As the global population continues to grow, pollution rises at an alarming rate. Much of this pollution finds its way into our oceans, directly threatening marine life. Marine animals think plastic is food. They eat it and get badly hurt or die. All spills caused by sea transport release toxic chemicals that spread across ocean waters, contaminating ecosystems and threatening marine life. Industrial chemical discharges further poison the seas. These human activities not only destroy marine ecosystems, but also accelerate climate change. Natural events such as underwater volcanic eruptions combined with human-induced stress create extreme conditions where marine species can no longer adapt or survive. The result is devastating. Mass fish deaths, coral bleaching, and the collapse of vital marine habitats. Yet, even as this destruction continues, we still seek seafood without caring for the sea. If we do not begin protecting our oceans today, we may slowly lose marine life and, in the end, risk our own future. Who will answer for their silent cries? Through innovation, research, and collective action, we can protect our blue resources. We can restore critical marine ecosystems such as marine productive areas, mangrove forests, seagrass beds, kelp forests, hydrothermal vents, rock pools, polar seas. When these ecosystems are conserved responsibly, we can sustainably harvest essential resources. Corals are touched only in the smallest amounts as they grow slowly and lovingly protect marine life. Seagrass is handled with tenderness because it shelters fish and quietly holds carbon within it. Seaweed is harvested softly and at the right time since it grows quickly and supports food and livelihoods. Algae are gathered with care and control, offering clean energy and useful byproducts, all while keeping the ocean peaceful and undisturbed. Conservation alone is not the final goal. True sustainability is achieved when conservation is combined with responsible utilization. Once collected, marine resources undergo careful cleaning and primary processing, followed by controlled drying. These processed materials then enter industrial production line. Seaweed and algae extracts are used in. They are used in food and animal feed for nutrition. In medicine, they help in making drugs and health supplements. They are added to cosmetics for skin and hair care. In farming, they act as natural fertilizers for plant growth. They are also used in biofuels to produce clean, renewable energy. When we conserve marine ecosystems, fish grow abundantly through natural breeding and sustainable aquaculture. They are responsibly harvested, safely processed, and supplied to markets. This responsible use of marine resources strengthens the blue bioeconomy, supporting livelihoods while protecting and preserving the sea. Conservation today ensures sustainable resources and a healthier tomorrow. Within the next 10 to 15 years, by using conservation technologies and sustainable practices, we can restore nature and bring balance back to our oceans.